Every time we intend to speak to or with people, we have a choice. 1. We can choose to speak aimlessly like a parrot without following any specific strategy, plan, or goal, often quoting from what other people have said and using that as a ground, basis, and justification for whatever we are saying. On the other hand, we can develop a strategy, a goal, a plan, and use that to develop an irresistible talk, speech, or message. Using that strategy, goal, or plan, we can inject power, charisma, uniqueness, and authenticity into our message and wrap it in irresistible beauty and then deliver it to the people eloquently so that the people will find it so irresistible that they stop doing whatever they are doing and listen. Remember, every time you speak, think of a strategy, plan, and goal.